Hello, we're at 1307 Hayes Street, and this is apartment 3. We have a top floor, 1-bedroom unit, and this is a 4-unit building. We are right on Hayes at Divisadero in NOPA. So right when you come into the front door of the apartment, you step right into the living room. There are French doors here into the bedroom. Okay, living room, nice tall ceilings in this unit. It's got a Nest thermostat, gas forced air heat. There's the cold air return, and you'll see vents throughout the unit. Telephone intercom for the front door. We've got a coat closet here off of the living room. It's also got some shelves in it. Hardwood floors in the living room, the bedroom, the dining area, and tile in the kitchen and bath. Okay, let's pop over to the bedroom. All right, nice big bedroom. I think you could do a king or queen size bed. Queen would be better. Bedroom is looking out onto Hayes Street. Nice big walk-in closet here off of the bedroom. Okay, here is the bathroom. Shower over tub, pedestal sink, got a cabinet there, a mirrored medicine chest, and like I said, tile floor. And last, here's our beautiful kitchen, tons of cabinet space, gas stove, fridge, granite countertops, tile floor, and then here's your dining area. Please excuse, we got some light bulbs on order for that light fixture there. This could also be a great little home office if you'd rather. And again, facing out onto Hayes and Divisadero. Okay, and then this building, just so you know, does have shared laundry. Those trees straight ahead there across the intersection, that's Alamo Square. There's the intersection of Hayes and Divis. Yeah, great unit, great neighborhood. Okay, thanks so much for watching. This has been 1307 Hayes, apartment 3.